Install POWR Comments and start adding comments right away, no coding required. First, choose a template or start from scratch. You can start by adding admin email notifications to stay alerted whenever a new comment is submitted. Then, set up moderation and choose to display comments only after approval. Customize the comment field, including the title and text placeholders, and choose whether shoppers can upload images. Then, set up name and email inputs and choose whether to allow anonymous comments. Once your setup is ready, customize every call to action and edit the success message shoppers see after submitting a comment. Match your store's look and feel by adjusting colors, fonts, backgrounds, buttons, and borders. Once your setup is ready, publish your comments to your store. Click Publish to get started. Select the page where you want to install comments. Copy your app ID and click Install. This opens the Shopify theme editor. Paste the app ID, save your changes, and your comments are live. Now your comments are live on your store. As shoppers start adding comments, you can manage everything from your dashboard. Manage all comments in one place. Publish or unpublish comments, reply publicly, or delete them as needed.